I'd just like to tell you that, so we're having a baby. Ooh, I feel like Michael Jackson moonwalking in the calabash. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Let's go.
It's Molly.
Hurry up.
Say hi, Molly.
Hi, Molly.
Hi, Molly. Oh. What are you laughing at? What are you doing?
I'm standing upstairs.
You're standing upstairs. Right. Hey, Daddykins. Hello, little wee one. Huh. They pushed the bleachers all the way back, so I guess the good thing we did bring our chair. Is who? Darnell? Yeah, he's all the way over there.
Where?
All the way on the other side.
What are you doing?
Look, I can't do everything for you guys.
No, you're not.
Oh, look at everyone enjoying my snacks and my chairs, but they don't want to bring their own.
Sorry about that.
How wonderful.
Yes, you have to eat it, otherwise nothing.
So Daniel's team just scored, but
Okay, nothing.
we have a little bit of like rivalry with the other team because it's always like the hardest team, one of the hardest teams. This one in Marist.
You know what your son just
And
did?
we just scored.
I gave him half a ball. Yes, go with him, boys! Go with him! Go with him!
Eddie's, you got to start paying this girl.
Come on, Eddie! Yes! Good work, boys! Good work! Come on, Eddie!
Molly, they're gonna come over and tell you to be quiet.
What am I doing? I'm cheering. That's what we're doing.
Oh, there's Leslie. Over there. He's got to come tell you to be quiet, Molly. Leslie.
Why? You people need to move away from me, right? I came to a game to cheer.
Yeah, we scored first. Look at them enjoying my chairs, enjoying my snacks, while I'm standing here eating nothing.
He secretly loves that.
Okay, last one for Eddie.
But we're winning at the moment. It's a very intense game. And like, they're being a little bit weird with us. And we're like cheering hard out. And I can tell they're getting like carved up.
Come on, Eddie!
Tackle Ned!
Yeah, we come
Little Ned was in.
Molly, Dad said be quiet.
What?
Dad said be quiet.
What?
Cause don't bash her! Oh, how cute's this, Chris? Okay, now they're fighting. Are you enjoying that little Bicky Boo Boo? Hello, darling. Molly,
What?
how do you feel about the game so far?
Well, you see, far left wing's not on the right ball game. Not a lot of stealing going on there. To your young kid of bankies.
Hey, can you stop chewing like that? I want to bore you.
I can chew however I want.
Daddy, alam sa mga kuya ka long on the finger. Okay. Maya ka long. Sia, how do you feel about the game so far?
I feel good. I think they're gonna win.
Are you
So they
confident?
win, are you going to buy us breakfast?
That is a big negative.
And brunch?
Oh, Ingrid, did you say you wanted to
What?
buy us breakfast?
Oh, Ingrid, clap for Ingrid.
Brunch.
Clap for Ingrid. Ingrid's like, hell no.
So the score was 4 tries to 0. Good game, Sos. Good game. Good game. Excuse me? Oh, my king. I thought you said my kingo. I know, I was like, what? Your face sounds like, Yeah, I thought you said, well, molo kingo, like, you know, I was like, excuse me?
You're having your own battles in her mind. Excuse me?
Look at this here!
No, they're thick.
Should I try that?
No, Molly.
Molly, they won't
Oh, come on, Ingrid. Don't
Look at
be
my
rude.
foot compared to yours.
Oh, come on.
What size is it?
Open your eyes, girl. Open your eyes.
39, so they're 8.
Molly,
size
they're
8.
definitely not
Oh,
gonna
shut
fit
up.
you.
Don't be jealous.
Oh, but they're nice how they're thick, hey? Yeah.
I'll put you in front.
Okay, what is it, Amaziah?
In front
You
of
want another
my
one?
melody. You are all that matters.
Oh, shot boys. You guys had a good game, and so we're really proud of you. And yeah, so we hope we get into the semis and God bless all of you.
It's hot and I look like I was on the field.
Can you
I'm like
what was happening over
sweating. Oh, there was a bit of confrontation over there.
with who? Well, let's send.
So finally home now, guys. I dropped my sisters off. They wanted to spend the day together, but Aussie is working today, so he's on his way home soon, and I just wanted to spend it with him because we don't usually spend weekends together. So I told them, sorry, I'm a busy gal. They really wanted to spend time with me, but I was like, no, you've got your own car. I'm not going to be your Uber driver this weekend. So I think Aussie's going to come home soon. I'm going to go and have a shower because I feel hot and sweaty from all of that, and wash my hair because my hair, I've got dandruff all out in my hair. So I'll see you guys after my shower. Guys, just finished shower. Aussie just finished showering too. He's waiting for me in the car. Not sure where we're going today. So we're here at the mall now, and we saw my mum's car and my sisters and the kids, they're here as well. Not really sure what we're doing, but we're just spending time together.
Yeah. Just walking on top of the hill.
It's not a hill.
Yeah, we're just walking on top here, on top of the mall. And looking down the road, you see it, guys? It's
I don't
nice.
think they need to see the road, babe.
So yeah, we'll just go have some little shop up inside here, get something to eat, and enjoy the Saturday.
Well, fancy seeing you here. Hey, Ed. Well, look at you. Can I have a taste?
Is it nice, yeah?
It's alright. Well, Maya, fango soso.
Mum had a nice one. Healthy salad.
Oh, Eben, I love your haircut.
Thank you.
Eddie, your haircut. Oh, looky, Chucky. Screaming. Your hair looks so cool, Zaya. Oh, you're so cute. You're cute when you're not crying like a baby. I'd just like to tell you that, So we're having a baby. What do you think about that, Sophie? Aussie, tell her the good news. Don't just sit there and eat. Come on.
Toilet.
Huh? You will stop trying to be a baby. You are too big. Hey, your haircut looks so nice.
Sure.
You got psoriasis here.
What's that?
It's the gut issue. Excuse me, Evan. Stop trying to be a baby. Stop trying to be a baby. What's your channel?
Oh, it's just my name.
Okay, guys, Daniel's got a channel. Shout your channel.
It's just Darnell, capital D, and well, let's say it's capital U. That's it.
Tell them what kind of things you have on your channel.
Streams.
What?
Just like to stream.
Stream what?
I use Fortnite.
Oh, what about COD?
No.
So, come play with Daniel.
So have you subscribed to the D-Mob?
Yes, you have.
No.
Yes, you are.
Huh? What?
Owls are for Bigfoot.
Oh, let's go in there, let's go in there. Go.
Daddy!
Who's the baby out of you guys? Is it you?
Hi.
Oh, okay, calm down.
Nalago was Doug and Nalago was Legion's girlfriend.
Ew!
Legion had a girlfriend.
Let's go, Aussie boy. So we're going for a quick drive now. Oh yeah, look at my nail. I got my acrylics pulled off. It makes my hands look real stubby. So I think I'll get them like later, but for now, like I miss typing so fast and I like can type fast again, so. And Aussie's happy because I can scratch his back. Honestly, if you're a woman and you have to scratch your man's back all the time, comment down below and let me know because I am sick of it.
You need to like it.
I even bought him a back scratcher and he does not use it.
Because your nail is better than that scratching.
So we're just going for a drive because it's Saturday, just spending time together. We're just going to the outskirts. There's a lookout like 40 minutes outside of Canberra. We're here at the lookout now. Lake George, northbound. Just tell me. Wow, I don't know how those people got down there. What did I do to deserve you? I honestly don't get the whole windmill thing. Like why we need windmills. Apparently it's like clean energy source, but doesn't make sense to me. So you see what you're looking at where it's all green down there? That actually used to be a lake. This is what they call Lake George. It was like an actual lake, water. Just like you can see water all the way over there. But the water cleared up over the years and now we've just got grass. But there's water further down over there. No one should own water. Water cannot be owned. So if it can't be owned, then therefore it can't be sold. And I don't know why people are selling our water. Okay. Here at another destination. This is Gugong Dam. About 45 minutes out from where we live. Oh look, there's a nice beautiful homemade chair there. 16th of December 2010 by Simon. I don't really care about Simon. Gugong Water Supply Project, Gugong Dam Remedial Works. Protect your drinking water. Ew, Aussie's farting over there. No dogs are allowed in the dam or foreshores. No swimming, no petrol powered boats. No body contact with water. Wading. I was putting these two words together. Look at the stream. It's just streaming away, being all streamy and stream stuffs. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Okay, so I'm here at my parents' house now. Aussie's coming in, but we're here for a family meeting. So I'm just going to end off today's vlog because it's been a long day. Okay, so comment of the day today goes to... Okay, I'm going to choose Lucy Maya. Kukua is great. I have watched those ladies. They're amazing. I love the music they use. As for dyeing your clothes, do you not have a... Oh, drying your clothes. Do you not have a dryer? Otherwise, a clothes horse in front of the heater. I've got one of those. And I do that. I use a clothes horse and a heater. It works well. Heats me, the unit, and dries my clothes. I'm so in love with Aban. I'm so in love with Aban and Eddie. Too cute. Oh, well, thank you so much, Lucy. The mothers of them two are sitting right here and they sure do appreciate it.
Yeah, do you want them?
One of them's even offering them. Oh my gosh, look at my face. Okay, so Daniel Tuimoala. Been waiting for another video. Love the videos. SV Squad. Stay safe and God bless. Yeah. Thank you, Danny boy, and Lucy girl. We'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed.